Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Are you ready for today's lesson? Today we're gonna learn about different places. There are so many different places and buildings in town. Let's learn saying some of them together. The first place is bank. Bank, bank. A place where people can invest or borrow money. Library, a place where you can read books. Bookstore, bookstore. It's a place where you can buy books. Bus stop, bus stop. A place where you can wait for the bus. Train station, train station. It's a place where you can wait for the train. Gas station, gas station. It's a place where gas is sold for road vehicles. Computer store, computer store. A place where we get computers. Movie theater or cinema, a place where you pay to watch films. Post office, post office. It's a place where you can mail letters or packages and buy stamps. Restaurant, restaurant. It's a place where meals are prepared and served to customers. Shopping mall, shopping mall. A large, usually covered shopping area. Supermarket, supermarket. A large shop which sells most types of food and other goods needed in the home. Today's lesson is over. Share and like if you find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel to receive notification when the videos are available. See you next time.